Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'm going to cook for you 2 loaded baked potatoes. We're going to load it up with some vegetables and maybe some sour cream, and so it out, some of whatever I can think of to put in there. It'll be a surprise for you, okay? But it's going to be a loaded potato in the air fryer oven. Okay, all right, let's do it. Okay, so I have 2 potatoes, and I'm just gonna take a fork. I already washed them, and I'm just gonna poke holes in them like that. Okay, all the way around. That's to let the heat in. Same thing with this one. Be careful you don't poke yourself. Okay. Now we're going to put them in onto the rack. Turn it on. Let's go to 370. That's a high temperature. And let's start with 15 minutes. And we'll be back to check on that, okay? I hope your day is doing well. Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. I accept everyone new because we're all starting out, right? Even if you're not a YouTuber yourself, but you're a supporter, please subscribe. I'd love to have you, and I welcome you with open arms. Share the video and give it a thumbs up if you like it, okay? Alright, we'll be back soon on the baked potato in the air fryer oven. The loaded baked potato in the air fryer oven. I gotta get the vegetables and stuff ready to show you. So let me get that ready and I'll tune you back in. Alright? Hang in there. Okay, so our potatoes in the air fryer is done. So we want to cook the vegetables. So I have here, these are the things that we're going to load up the potatoes with. I have a 1 red pepper cut up, some mushrooms, some broccoli, and we're going to top it off with sour cream. So first we're going to cook our vegetables. I have some olive oil here. I'm putting in the frying pan. And we're going to cook our sweet red peppers first. We'll let that catch up in a few minutes. Okay. And I'm going to also dig out my sour cream and my seasonings. Got to have the seasonings, right? So we're going to top this stuff off with some garlic, ground garlic. This is going to be our seasoning: ground garlic, kosher salt, and some black pepper. Okay. Okay, so we're going to have to let that catch up for a few minutes. And I'll be right back. Okay, so our sweet red peppers have been cooking for about 3 minutes. So now we're going to add the remaining part of our vegetables. So we have mushrooms and broccoli. Okay, I'm going to add maybe 5 tablespoons, about 5 tablespoons of water, just enough to make some steam. That's enough. See that? Now I'm going to put a top on that. produce the steam. Because we don't want that to just cook ordinarily. We would like to make it so it's steamed vegetables. And let's put some seasonings on there. So I have some black pepper. Kosher salt. And ground garlic. Okay, we're going to give that about another minute. Okay, while I'm waiting, give you the word of the day. The word is, I'm feeling. You fill in the blanks. I'm feeling happy, I'm feeling sad, I'm not feeling good, I'm feeling depressed, I'm feeling anxious. Well, all of those feelings are from you. So you can take yourself in and out of those feelings. So you should try when you don't have a good feeling. Try to take yourself out of that situation into a new environment so that you could feel better. And when you have a good feeling, share that with the world. Okay? Alright, that's the word of the day. Okay, we're going to go back to our vegetables. Okay, they're done. You know, it only takes vegetables a few minutes, maybe 3 minutes to cook. You don't want to overcook them. You want to make sure that the green vegetables stay green and not turn gray looking. There we go. Okay, now we're going to stuff our potatoes with our vegetables. Okay? Okay, so let me get the potatoes out of the air fryer and so we can do the final steps. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we have our 2 potatoes out the air fryer oven. They're already baked. So we're just going to cut them open right down the middle. So once you cut them open, you're going to take your thumb and the first finger, okay, these 2, and you're going to just push down and squeeze, push down and squeeze down, okay. Let me try that again and show you again. These 2 fingers on each side where you cut, push down and squeeze down. When you do that, it opens up, okay? Let me show you that. See? We push down right here on both sides and squeeze down. So now that we have it open, now we're able to stuff, right? Okay, so the first thing I have is some melted margarine. Drizzle that on. Okay. And I'm going to to put some salt and pepper just like I would normally do when I'm eating a potato. So put a little salt there and a little pepper. Okay, at this point now we can start stuffing. I'm going to take the red sweet pepper, broccoli, and mushrooms and just put it in there. But don't put it in any kind of way. Make it pretty. You know, like stand the broccoli flowers up so that you can see that. Same thing here. I'm going to stand them up. Sort of take the stem part and stick down in the potato. Stand it up. Yes. Oh, this is looking beautiful, guys. Imagine you have some company over and you do this and bring it to the table. Oh, they're going to be talking about you for a long time. Oh, you remember those big filled potatoes you did? Oh, they're going to love it. Okay, let me put that on another clean plate for you to see. How about that, huh? Isn't that awesome? And let me get in the picture. How about that? Loaded baked potato, and we have red bell peppers, mushrooms, and broccoli. Now that's a sight to see, isn't it? Look at that. Okay. Let me give it a taste. I'm dying to taste it. You want me to taste it? Oh, I forgot the best part. Sour cream. I'm going to have to get another picture on this. There we go. Sour cream. I forgot. Look at that. Huh? Cool, right? Make sure you can see it. You see? Cool. Okay, I'm going to take a taste. Okay, let's see. Awesome. You've got to give it a try, okay? Alright, hit the thumbs up button if you like. share the video, and subscribe. I'll talk to you soon, okay?